Yeah, I was saying, what are you doing, man?
I'll go up to go down. I'll go to 3.
We're going to 3?
3, yeah.
Okay,
I'll go up to
going
go.
up there. You
That's
go for a
fine.
run.
That's fine. I'll go up to go down.
Going down. You're going to 3, right?
Yeah, 3.
Are we leaving, guys?
Yes, we are. Well, when you say we, you mean us or you or we?
You guys.
Are we leaving together? Because I didn't think you'd be allowed to leave yet.
I can leave.
What?
I'm not chained to this chair. Going down. Yep.
So let's go.
We're all going to field, right? Everybody's leaving? Yeah.
So he's not a free man.
He's not. No, he's not. Hold on, this is 4?
What happened?
I don't know. It blanked out.
Oh.
Hold on.
He didn't look on GPS. That's
Okay, this is 3, guys.
Thank you.
I'm going. Have a good night, guys.
Is the field to get out?
Yes.
Okay, thanks.
If you're wondering which elevator this is elevator K. Anyways, that's it.